FunXcies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna make this beautiful cute miniature fake nail paint which actually looks so real, guys. And along with this, I'm also gonna make a small miniature lipstick that is also made by paper clay and card paper. So stay tuned. So guys, over here as you can see, that's the cutout which I need. So you can see these are the cutouts which I basically need. So I'll take my pencil and roll it like this. So this is the way I'm gonna do, and you can easily follow these. So you can also make your own nail paint and lipstick at your home. So once I'm done with that, over here I'll just take this to the circle. And you can see this is what I get, and this basically has a hole inside it in the middle, and then I'll just cover the bottom part as well. Once I'm done with that, guys, again I'll take another card paper and I'll roll it again into a cylindrical shape, and I'll just insert it inside this. So once I'm done with that, again I'll take white card paper and I'm using my pencils to fold it into a cylindrical shape, and it will be little bit larger in size so that it can actually fit as a cap of the bottle. Okay, so after this is done, as you can see, one side I'll just close it using this circle out of card paper, and this is how it will fit inside. So now is the part to make the brush. So basically I'll just take my thick wire and I'll just roll it around this card paper so that I just get a very nice and fine coiling out of it. And once I'm done with that, it has a hole, it's hollow from the middle. Then I'll take my black thread and again I'll just go on keeping this around and around till I'm happy with the results. And once I'm done with that, one side I'll apply some translucent glue and I'll fold it like this. So this will give me the top bristle of the brush. And now I'll just stick this inside the hole. So once I'm done with that, I'll just cut it off and give the shape of a brush. Alright, so it's done now. As you can see, now I'll just stick this to the cap, and ta-da, the bottle is now ready. Now as you can see, it's easily going inside and the cap is easily able to fit. So now let's paint it. So over here I'm going with the red nail paint, so you can use any other color you want. Okay, so guys, I'm using acrylic paint over here, but you can also use fabric paint instead of that, and it's really easy and very affordable to find as well. So once you're done with that, I'll just apply some translucent sheet over here on top of this to basically give the glass effect. And after I'm done with that, as you can see, that's the bottle and this is the cap. So now I'll just put a little bit very fine detailing of golden color, and basically it's golden card paper stripe which I'm just folding around this. So after it's done, this is how the nail paint bottle is looking like. As you can see, it looks very realistic and I was really happy with this. So now let's start making the lipstick, and for that again I'm going with the golden card paper, and you can see this is just the perfect golden which I actually need. And again I'll just fold it using my pencils into a cylindrical shape. Alright, so after I'm done with the cylindrical shape, now over here I'll just apply some hot glue gun, and as you can see, this is another piece of white card paper which I'll be applying it on the base. Once I'm done with that, guys, over here again I'll just apply some more hot glue gun, and then I'll just apply this golden card paper on top of it so that it gives me the second floor which I need for the lipstick. And basically that's the design of the original one, so I'll just use that accordingly. And after that again I'll take my card paper and I'll just measure the corners using the lipstick top. And once I'm done with that, I'll again make another cylindrical shape. Alright, so now I'll just use this as the base, and then again I'll just cut the part which I don't need, and I'll just, as you can see, this is the part. And again now I'll just close the top using another piece of cardboard circle, and then over here as well I'll just use the same card paper. And so you can see this is slightly small and this is little bit small from one end as well. And then I'll just apply this golden card paper over here as well, and then let's stick the lipstick top. Alright, so once I'm done with that, now I'll just use this cap as well. And now let's make the main lipstick inside part. So over here I'm just using my paper clay and I'll just make that. Once it gets dried, now I'll just apply some hot glue gun inside this and stick this part. After I'm done with that, now let's start painting. And for that I'm painting the cover with black acrylic paint. Again I'm telling you guys, you can already use fabric paint instead of this, it will give you the same results. And you have to paint it nicely, and when you are done with that you can also paint the cap of the lipstick. And then of course the lipstick is bright red color. Alright, so as you can see, my lipstick is nice and painted, and so is my nail paint bottle as well. So these two are now ready and they look super real, and the lipstick is very small and cute. So this is the final video guys. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.